Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H4 high and low beam bulb, grab the grey power connector and pull on it. Remove the rubber cover, which is around the bulb. Then undo the bulb. You must move it towards the outside of the clips on the holding stud. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Spot the location of the positioning pins. Then move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back and reconnect the power connection. The parking light is located under the H4 bulb. To remove it with great ease, disconnect the power supply for the H4 bulb and push it aside. Grab the brown power connector, rotate it a quarter turn to the left and pull it out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base, then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. Reconnect the power connection. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.